And yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to show to you our project right now. We have draw out type MCCs. So these are the MCCs what we have right here. So as what you see from left to right. Yeah, so this is our MCC panels. So they are all draw out type. So you will find from here. So let's check it out how it looks like. So alright, this is how it looks. Let's open. So this is chamber. We call it chamber. The cable chamber, the cable termination area. Alright, so let's check also our incoming side. And this is the control area, our control fuse, control MCB, and CD terminal. And yes, we have also the transformer, control transformer. And what we have in front, so we have the ammeter, including ammeter selector switch, including voltmeter and also voltmeter selector switch. Alright, so let's check at the bottom. So right over here, this is our CPs. The CPs are connected to terminals. So we have 1, 2, 3 CPs connected to this CT terminals. From CT terminals going to our ammeter selector switch and ammeter. Alright, so that's all for today. See you on my next video.